Hi there. This video is to help you create an interactive audio journey on our brand new social media platform called Geotourist. Geotourist allows you to drop location-based audio pins for others to find using the Geotourist app on iOS and Android. We are going to see how to produce an audio journey which someone else can simply launch on the Geotourist app and then pop the phone in their pocket and just walk to locations you define on the map. As they enter these areas, your audios will automatically play for them and describe whatever they are looking at. You can use this to tell the story of your hometown or share interesting journeys or local information which may help people interested in learning about local parks, buildings, events, and attractions. Pretty much anything you are interested in and want to talk about. Well, for starters, you can log in and create a user account. Simply visit geotourist.com and choose the Sign Up Register option. Once you have added in your username and password, you can click here and add some profile information and upload a user photo so that others can see who has created the tours. You can add some interesting information about yourself so others can learn about your background and areas of knowledge. Once you have done this, go to the Create Tour button, and let's have a quick look at how to use this really straightforward interface. The first page you are presented with is the tour information page. This is the summary cover page for your tour. First, add a title for your tour. Users can search for your tour by title, so try to make it relevant. Second, there is a box for a short description about your tour. You can give an overview of the tour here and include any relevant specific information about the journey in general. Next, you add a cover photo for your tour. This will appear in search results when people look for your tour. If at any time you want to save your progress and continue the tour production later, simply press the Save Tour button at the bottom of the page. You'll see a pop-up notification to say that the tour has been saved and you are safe to reopen later from the tab at the top called My Tours. You can select a language for your tour. This will allow users to find your tour when they are seeking in a specific language. The users will only be able to see tours published in their chosen language preference. The next option is to choose a category for your tour. And here, you can select whether your tour is a walking tour or an architectural tour. You can choose up to 5 appropriate categories for your journey to be listed in. Below this is an option to add relevant tags to your tour, again, to help people find your tour if they're doing searches. You can add up to 10 keywords here and use the Enter button to add more. You can delete a tag by clicking on the cross next to the tag. You can now press the button Add Point, and this will open up the Tour Point page. This is where you can add information about the first point on your tour. Again, you can add a name for the first point, add a short description, and upload an image for the first point. The next thing to do is to choose a location for your audio for this specific point to be triggered. Look at the section called Set Point Coordinates. There is a map, and above it is a search bar. The map will default to your current location if possible, but in order to find the right position, you can type into the search bar the name, address of the location, and the map will display the area you are looking for. If you want to zoom in, you can, using the zoom functions on the side. You can really increase your accuracy of ensuring the tour point is in the right location by switching to satellite view, using the switch in the top right corner of the map. This may help you visualize the specific point. Once you have identified the correct position of the first tour point, press the left mouse button and you will see that you have now dropped pin number 1. This represents the exact location of your point audio zone. You will also notice a green circle surrounding the pin. This circle is the audio activation zone. This zone is the area where your audio will automatically launch if someone performing your tour with the app walks into any of the area covered by the green circle. You can adjust the size of this zone to be larger or down to as little as 15 meters diameter. There is a slider below the map which will allow you to do this. This gives a lot of scope for pinpointing exact attractions, which is really useful for signposting. If the pin is not in the exact location you need it to be, you can simply click on the pin itself and hold the left mouse button and drag and drop it exactly where you need. It's that easy. Please note that the audio playing correctly can be influenced by external factors which affect GPS satellites in some locations, and the audio launching is also dependent on having a decent data connection on the user's smartphone. Because of this, you can also manually listen to the content by pressing the play button on the app and listen to the audios assembled for the tour journey. Once we drop the pin and adjusted the diameter of the audio activation zone, we have to add an audio for this point. Click on the Select Audio button. It will allow you to upload your audio, and if you are accessing the portal on a mobile device, e.g. phone or tablet, it can even give you the option to record an audio directly using the built-in microphone. Congratulations! You have now completed enough steps to publish your tour for others to find. If you want to add another point, press the Add Point button again and repeat the process. If you have forgotten to complete any of the steps, please refer to the sidebar where it will indicate which steps are incomplete. Let's add a couple more points to the tour for you to see the rearrangement function. Here, you can see that we have 3 points on our journey in the sidebar. We can rearrange the order in which these points are listed simply by clicking on the point you wish to move and then dragging and dropping it into the desired location. Remember, you can save your progress at any time and come back to it by going to My Tours. Now that you have completed the steps for your tour, you are ready to publish. In the bottom left corner of the page, you will notice that the Publish button is no longer grayed out and is red. Now you can press and upload to the cloud for others to find your journey. If we go to the My Tours page, you will see that your tour is now listed here, and you can also edit, delete, or unpublish. This simply removes the tour from the listings and can be published again at your convenience. You have full control. You can always upload new images, new audios, and change any aspect of your tour. It is completely flexible and customizable. Once your tour is ready and published, you can share the tour with your family and friends by using the share buttons listed below the description. You can see a summary of the tour, the distance of the tour, and how many people have left reviews after trying out your tour. Only users who have actually visited the location can leave you a review. People who use the app to go on your journey will convert each of the location audio pins from red to green as they walk into each of the zones. After all the pins have changed to green, they can add a review. This ensures only those who have experienced your journey fully can appreciate and comment on it. Now you can share your knowledge and broadcast your journeys to the rest of the world with this amazing new platform. Don't forget to download the app to see your journey in action by going to iTunes or the Google Play Store and searching for Geotourist. This amazingly intuitive and powerful app is free to download and creates a great new way to learn about the world around you. Thanks for watching.